Hey everybody, fall is in full effect. My favorite month is here, and that is October. But that means is that I get to open the September Cash Crate, and it's in a bag this time. If you don't know what the Cash Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Lisa from Cash Advance in Spokane, Washington, she knows what geocachers love, and she packs them up every single month. And I open them up on camera so you can just see a little bit of what it's like. As you notice, I also get Geocaching Tees, which is a geocaching t-shirt subscription service. And Lisa has now packaged both of them together. So today I will envelope and unbox the Cash Crate. And then at the end, I will tell you how you can get a special deal on your first Cash Crate or Geocaching Tee subscription if you so choose. It's soft. I love myself a good soft t-shirt. And what does, ooh, this is so appropriate for me. First of all, it is super soft. Second of all, it has a camera on it. Cache cam, making memories one geocache at a time. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at this. Look at that cool design. It's the cache cam. I will put this on for you right now because it is so soft, and I think I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the day. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. And pow! There it is. Oh my gosh, this might be one of my favorites that I've ever gotten in geocaching tees. It also has that slim design right here that is that I like. It really shows the gun show. Ooh, this shirt is great. I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the day. If you're interested in geocaching tees, go to geocachingtees.com. If you use the promo code GEO15, you get 15% off your first payment. It is now time for the Cash Crate. There it is. And I'm just gonna say right now, the Cash Crate for the month of September, this is the September Cash Crate, it's a little heavier than normal, which that has me intrigued. Here we go. What's inside will get you outside. That's what the goal is, people. Get outside. Let's explore the world. Here we go. First thing, oh, we got a theme. What is this? Oh, we got a cute piece of swag here. We got a tiny camera. I'm gonna take your picture. I see little animals in here. Cute little swag item is the first thing I spotted. That was cute. We got some nice bags. We got some pencils. We got some log books. We got a marker in there. As a geocacher, you can never have enough of these in your bag to replace bad bags or to hide your own. We got a geocaching container. This one's kind of in between. Would you say this is micro-size, or do you think it is small? It's tough to say. I think it's small, but look inside here. Micros. Whoa. We got tiny caches inside a small cache. Perfect. Stuff to hide. Oh, I figured out what was so heavy in here. This is cool. Oh my gosh, and it matches the shirt. We got a picture frame. We got a frame that says making memories one geocache at a time. Oh my gosh, it matches my shirt. I love this. What a cool idea, Lisa. And now I gotta figure out what picture I'm gonna print off to put in my brand new frame. But this was the thing that was so heavy. Clever. I like it. I've been getting the Cash Crate for almost like 6 years. I've never got a geocaching picture frame before. Fun idea. We have a Trackable from Compass Creek. Can you read what it says? It looks kind of spooky, actually. By route obscure and dank, find a cache for you to bank. That rhymes. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Holy cow. You hear that? This is like strong metal. This is actually put together by Compass Creek. Compass Creek is a company within Cash Advance. They make geocoins and they make trackables, and this is one of those as well. All right, and as you know, I always get the add-on Trackable, and this little guy is cute and probably a little stinky. It's a cashkin, and it's a skunk. And of course, this is also trackable. All right, some unique items in the Cash Crate and a really great shirt that I truly, really love. If you want the Cash Crate, go to cashcrate.com. if subscriptions are open, and it's not always open, but if it is open, you can sign up there, use the promo code GEO15 at checkout, and you will get 15% off your first purchase. So if you get the 6 months, you save more, and if you get the 12 months, you save even more. All right, I gotta find myself a picture, and I think I'm gonna have to make some more geocaching memories, take some more pictures, and fill this frame up. So I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna go geocaching, I'm gonna create some memories, and you should too. Thanks for watching.